Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Yamaha Wolverine X2. We've just installed the RYCO turn signal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. As you can see on the front, we've added three 3/4 inch amber LEDs. These have daytime capabilities for running lights. You can override that function if you'd like. Now, anywhere you could drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can mount these lights. This is a really popular spot for us. We've had people do two here, one over on the corner, two on the corner, one over here. You can kind of arrange those however you'd like. Just make sure when you're drilling through, you've got room on the back side for the light to come through. How does it operate? It's got a stock lever like you find in your car. Down will be left. You do have an indicator light up on the dash to let you know that the turn signal is on. What I love about the RYCO kit is it does tie into the stock tail light housing, utilizing all of the stock LEDs, giving you a nice, bright, huge, big visibility there. With the RYCO kit, you also have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out that red lever. You can see the lights flashing there on the dash. And on the front. Around the back side. Very nice and bright, super good visibility. To release the four-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. You cannot push that red lever back in. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever. The RYCO kit also comes with all of the license plate mounting hardware, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. Here in Utah, the only additional things you need to be street legal are two mirrors, one on each side of the driver. That can be accomplished with a left view, as you see here, and a right view, or a left view and a rear view. Totally up to you. For more information, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. If you're ready to order, you can go onto our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports.com, and place your order from the comfort of your own home. We do have these kits in stock, ready to ship. Have a great day, everybody.